In this video, I will show you how to turn off sensitive content warning in Android messages. First, launch open the Messages app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon. From here, you want to look for the option of Messages Settings. Go ahead and select that. Now go to General. Here, scroll down and find the option of Protection and Safety. Tap on it. Now look for the Manage Sensitive Content Warnings option. Select that. Here, if the option of warnings in Google Messages is toggled on, then simply toggle this option off. Now this feature will be disabled. If you have multiple options such as warning for image, turn off the ones that you no longer need. If you keep receiving these warnings even after turning this option off, then you want to update the app to the latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store and search Google Messages. Now tap on the update option. Wait until the update is completed. After that, this message will no longer be shown in your Android messages. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.